Okay, what up, guys? Tim Kipling back here again. Right now, I'm on a project. Pick up my tools. Right now, I'm working on a project, and I'm working on Mongoose Index BMX bike. So right now, I'm in the process of sanding down, with chrome underneath, sanding it down. I took it all apart. The rest of the parts are upstairs in my room. Down here. Come down here. Whoa. That sounds bad on camera, don't blame me. It's a big gust of wind. Right now, I'm painting my BMX bike handlebars purple. So, that's what I'm in the process of doing now. And I'll show you guys some of the parts that I have out here. Here's some parts that are going to be replaced in the near future to build this BMX bike up. So right here you have the pedals, the crank arms, the other crank arm. I'm going to be getting new crank arms and new pedals because this one's broken and I do not like metal pedals at all. I've had this bike for a long time now, and I'm gonna be working on it and keep you guys updated and do build processes as I go along and build up this BMX bike. It was a complete BMX bike besides the front rim wasn't there. The front rim wasn't there, and that's it, because the front rim got ran over by a truck. So that's all that wasn't there, was the front rim. And